Hello everyone, welcome to AI Sciences. My name is Shazib Hamid and today we are going to discuss about how we can develop multiple bar charts with the help of Matplotlib. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do for that is to use the inline function, right? So let's write Matplotlib inline. After that, I am going to import pyplot. So let's write matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and at last let's import numpy. So numpy as np. So these are the three things that we want to do. Now that we have done that, let's make two arrays. So let's say that the name of the first array is company, and here we will enter a few companies. So let's write Google first, and the second company is Amazon, the third company is Microsoft, right? And the last company is Facebook. And now we make another sort of array whose name is revenue, and let's say that revenue is equal to 90 for the first one, 136 for the second one, 89 for the third one, and 27 for the first one. So let's run this and let's enter a few more cells. Now let's make sure that for the bar chart there are x-axis and y-axis. So on x positions we want the companies. So for that what we are going to do is we are going to use numpy arange function, and all of the companies will be associated on the x position. So let's write x position. So how many positions are there? Whatever is the length of the company array. So let's write length company, and it will show us and enter that length into x position. So let's run that. So as you can see, there are four values which are on 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So as you can see, there were four companies as well. Now what we can do is we can just start plotting. Let's write plt.bar, and what do we want to plot? X positions. Then we will talk about revenue as well, and the label should be revenue. So let's write label is equal to revenue, right? Let's write a bigger R. Now after that let's define the ticks. So let's say that the plt.x ticks, which are on the x-axis, those are equal to x position and the company. Okay, so why do we have this one? Let's let's now write plt.y label, right? So what do we need on y label? We need revenue. So let's write revenue and billions, right? And what should be the title? Sorry, billion, like this. And what should be the title of this plot? Let's write plt.title first, and here the title of the plot can be something like US tech stocks. Now let's also use legend, and this is it. This is everything that we need to do to show us the bar plot. So this is the bar plot, and these are the four companies as we talked about. These are on the x-axis, and this is the revenue in billions. Now what if we want to enter another thing into this? So for that we can just take another variable array and enter that into the mix as well. So first let's say that profit is that second array, and let's say that there are 4 profits, let's say 42, 35 and 10, right? First let's run this and go to the next coding cell. Now the next thing is, in the x position you need to subtract 0.2 once, and then you need to add 0.2, and those will be 2 bars. One will be x position plus 0.2 and second will be x position minus 0.2. That way both of those plots will be shown besides each other. So let's write plt dot bar, and here we will write x position minus 0.2, and then what do we want to show here? Revenue. And what should be its width? So if we do not do that, then both of these values will coincide with each other, right? And we will not see any correct value on our graph. So let's write revenue here, sorry. Now let's write again plt dot bar, and this time let's write x position plus 0.2, and then let's write profit, and at the end let's say that the width is equal to 0.4 and label is equal to profit as well. Okay, now what is the next step? The next step is the same. So next we are going to do these 3 things, right? So let's copy that, let's paste it here, right here, and let's run that. There we go. As you can see in our bar, now we have added one extra thing. So in Google, this position is x position minus 0.2 and this position is x position plus 0.2. So that way we are being able to show both of them adjacent to each other. So this is a simple way with the help of which we can show the plots for bar chart. Now we can also have this chart represented horizontally. For that we just have to write h here. It is so easy and so simple. Let's just copy that and paste it here, and let's just write h, and let's just run that. There we go. Now we are seeing the same results in the horizontal way. So this is it for today. These are the ways with the help of which you can implement bar charts horizontally and vertically as well. So now we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Keep watching AI Sciences.